Hi, I'm Dick Moberg. I started this company about 5 years ago with the mission of creating advanced tools to figure out what's going on in the injured brain. And this ties in really well with the mission of Curing Coma, and we're very excited to participate in this project.
Hi, my name is Ethan Moyer, and I'm the VP of R&D. We are so lucky to be collaborating with hospitals, universities, clinical trials all over the world to cure coma. Our team is focused on developing technology to improve outcomes for brain injury patients through multimodal neuromonitoring.
Hey, Craig Maddox here. I'm the CTO at Moberg Analytics, and we are so fortunate to wake up every day and work with the amazing, committed, brilliant, and kind people who make up the Curing Coma Campaign. All of you. And I'm personally so thankful and proud to be part of an equally passionate team here, and we would love for you to meet some of them.
Hi everyone, I'm Arpit, and today I'm excited to share on how mobile cloud platform is making a difference in neurocritical care, especially in our mission to cure coma. With incredible support from the Curing Coma Campaign, we are building world's first intergalactic coma registry using mobile cloud platform. A key part of this effort is our coma quality improvement program that uses our cloud technology to aggregate patient data directly from hospitals to drive quality improvements in patient care.
We have designed our cloud platform to accept both CRF-based data and multimodal high-resolution neurophysiology, allowing the Curing Coma campaign to study coma and disorders of consciousness. Our platform provides a secure upload process that currently supports CNS directories, medication files, and EDF files. This upload process is built in a scalable fashion that allows us to support various files and directory types based on our users' needs.
So after data is uploaded to the cloud, you can view it in our multimodal monitoring system, where we can see all patient signals, review EEG, we integrate with Persist, and we have all kinds of helpful graphics to show if your clinicians are adhering to care guidelines in the hospital. We also have extensive analytics capabilities, like detecting spreading depolarizations in EEG and computing state-of-the-art analytics like CPP-opt and MapOpt.
The Moberg Sandbox is a cloud-hosted Jupyter environment that provides access to data stored in Moberg Cloud Platform and Moberg Clinical Platform. We allow you to bring your own code in Python, R, and a number of other languages supported by Jupyter and run those analyses in the cloud-hosted environment. You can then take the results of those analyses and write them back into the database to allow you to review the results of those analyses as part of our data review functionality. We also provide a number of tutorial notebooks to get you started on a number of tasks like ICP forecasting, cleaning ABP and ECG data, among others. You can do things from running and training machine learning models to plotting and visualizing high-frequency data sets.
Well, I really hope you enjoyed that little tour of our company. And once again, we're very excited to be able to work with the Curing Coma campaign. Thank you.